Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in today's video we are finally doing another Solana meme coin review, and today we are reviewing Fwog on Solana. Now I know we have not been reviewing any Solana meme coins in the past month, and that is simply because Solana, the coin itself, has just been crashing like crazy in the last couple of months, and here in the last 2 weeks we've also gone down another 20%, which is just extremely bad for the Solana meme coin ecosystem, of course, and that is simply why we have not seen a single meme coin reach like a 20, 30, 50 or even a $100 million in market cap. But I finally, like I said, found a new coin that is right now starting to reach into that $100 million in market cap territory, and it has just been outgrowing the market like crazy. We can see in the last 2 weeks or so, this project has gone up around a 600% gain, which is about a 6x, and that is despite Solana literally dropping about 20%. And this is one of the only meme coins we are right now seeing that is actually doing good. If we actually go to, for example, Coinmarketcap, and we simply go to the gainers, let me quickly do that, we can literally see here in the last 7 days, every single project we are seeing is down. These are the top meme coins. Literally every single project you're seeing right now is down at least like 10, 20%, something like that. And even though that is happening for all of these meme coins, Fwog is one of the only coins that just keeps on going to the upside. It's up more than 600% in the last 2 weeks and up 20% in the last 24 hours. So that's why it's an extremely interesting coin. I'm going to show you exactly what the project is. Should you get into this project right now, and how high can this project actually go? So let's just immediately get into this video. Before I do that, I quickly wanted to say that if you want to buy or sell Solana meme coins, I'll definitely recommend doing that using a Telegram trading bot. I have it linked, first link in the description below. I would just recommend using it. It's much faster than Radium and Jupiter, has much more features, and it allows you to trade on Telegram, and just so much faster. Just go check it out, first link in the description below. Now that being said, so what is Fwog? Well, Fwog is just basically this cute little animal based on Matt Furry, the boys club, everything. We can see it right here. In the ashes of a community emerged a new frog, or a Fwog, a more base Fwog, a Fwog. And it's basically just a frog, just like Pepe, the biggest meme coin this cycle, but then in basically a different way. It's Fwog or Fwog basically. Let's just be real, it's just a really cute animal. The community is absolutely insane. The team behind this project are basically, not sure if it's a community takeover, but at least the team and the community behind this project is really strong. We can just see how much engagement all of these Twitter posts are right now getting. Clearly, this is just being pushed extremely hard by the community. We can also see that if I simply refresh this, literally thousands of tweets are being made every single minute about Fwog and how good the project is. A lot of big people are supporting this, and that's just one of the reasons why this project in particularly has just been going up so much. Furthermore, I can just show you guys right now that this is one of the only meme coin projects that is actually pumping right now. If we go to the top gainers in the last 24 hours, the top 1000, we can see that it's right now ranked number like 15 or something in this list, and we can see only 2 other meme coins are above it, which is Nairo, and then we also have this Amster Su Akimika, I can't even pronounce it, but only 2 other meme coins are above Fwog. The rest are all other utility type coins. So clearly we can see right now that Fwog is the only meme coin on Solana, because these are all meme coins on Ethereum. It's the only meme coin on Solana that is right now in the green. It's the biggest gainer right now on Solana. So clearly this is an extremely good project. Now, should you get into this project? I mean, it's a really cute animal. Every single person outside of crypto is immediately going to understand this meme. It's a Pepe variation basically, so it's just extremely good. And yes, I have to admit right now, this is showing so much strength when the market is just crashing to the downside on Solana, that the second we're going to get a reversal back to like $180, $200 a Solana, this will already be sitting at $500 to $1 billion in market cap. I just don't see a world where Solana just starts going back up again, which is probably going to happen really soon, and where this coin then just starts dumping. It doesn't make sense. It always is when a coin goes up, when the rest of the market goes down, it will go up much harder when the rest of the market goes down. We can clearly see right now that it has just been accumulating a little bit right here, and the second I'm making this video, it is almost setting a new all-time high right now, and we can clearly see that this is most likely going to start breaking to the upside. Once we break this little neckline right here, we're probably going to send to a $100-200 million in market cap extremely quickly. All we have to do is break previous all-time high and we're going to send there. So I wouldn't be surprised if the second I'm uploading this video that we are going to get a breakout. We're so freaking close. And we can see that the price has tried to basically be rejected a couple of times, but still we are making higher highs, and it just seems like we are finally pushing through it. Now let's say that we don't push through it. Maybe Solana goes down more, then I wouldn't also be surprised if the price just simply starts trading a little bit like this. And then what we can potentially do is make a cup and handle pattern. If you don't know, that's an extremely bullish pattern, and it actually seems like we can potentially make a cup and handle pattern, which is just a really bullish pattern. If you don't know how it looks like, let me show you. Cup and handle pattern. It's basically a pattern like this, where we make a rounding bottom just like this. Let me show you guys, rounding bottom, and then we either just trade a little bit to the downside or we trade more in like a cup formation, and then we start going to the upside again. So I wouldn't be surprised if something like this is going to happen. We flip it into a support, and then we're just going to start going to the upside. So either we're breaking to the upside in the next couple of hours. If that's not going to happen, we are most likely going to break to the upside in the next couple of days. So right now, genuinely, I've already bought a small bag into this project just a couple of hours ago because it just looks too good right now. Genuinely, I've never seen a project like this before, where it just looks so freaking good, even though the entire market is just crashing to the downside. And I also wouldn't be surprised if Solana starts going to the upside again. I mean, we've been in such a crazy downtrend that the second we break this downtrend, we can easily get a relief rally to like $160, $170. And that will just push Fwog to multi-millions in market cap and maybe to a couple of billion. Who knows? It's too early to say if this can go to $1 billion, but if this goes to a couple of hundred of million extremely quickly and the chart just starts looking extremely bullish, then yes, it can definitely happen. So yeah, I'm really bullish on this project. It's literally one of the only projects right now that is showing some strength, even though the entire Solana ecosystem is basically going down. It's doing extremely low volume right now. And literally Fwog is one of the only coins right now that is actually performing really good in my opinion. Literally right now Fwog is the coin with the highest amount of volume on Solana out of any other meme coin. It's doing more volume basically than Billy, than Retardio, than I don't freaking know, than Whiff, than all these bigger coins, Maneki, Mew. It's doing more volume than all of these, as we can see. So yeah, clearly that's just really bullish. And if we look at right here, we can literally see that it's up 22%, and most of these other coins are down like 15 or 30%, and the rest are only up about like 10, maybe 15%. And that is on these gigantic coins that are already listed on gigantic exchanges. If we look at Fwog, we can right now see it's only listed on a couple of small exchanges such as Lbank, Maxi, XT.com, and CoinX, and maybe like one or two more, I don't know, or a Bitmart as well, which is a pretty big one. So clearly this is just so much more room to grow in comparison to the rest. I'm really bullish about this project. It genuinely seems like we are breaking out right now the second I'm making this video. So yeah, I would just recommend checking this project out. All of the information about this project linked in the description below. I would recommend buying this coin using a Telegram trading bot such as Trojan. First link in the description below. And that being said, I hope I gave some useful information. Nothing I said is financial advice. It could also still go down. But yeah, I am just really bullish on this project. So that being said, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you guys in my next crypto meme coin review.